Hi guys, good morning. So today is a Saturday and I've worn my makeup. I don't usually wear makeup every day, but I decided to wear makeup today because I may be filming and I just like to wear makeup. So I'm going to meet my boyfriend or my fiance. I'm going to his house because he has been working hard this morning. I called him and he was doing some house chores. I don't really do house chores anyways, but it's something that I want to start doing. So I've been watching some YouTube videos on how I can start doing house chores by myself. I don't know if it's because I'm living with my siblings and we have a house help that does most of the chores. If not, I think I'll be doing my chores myself if I was living alone, because when I was living alone in school, I used to do all of my chores, all of them by myself, including fetching water when their water was faulty. So I want to go and prepare him food, pasta, and I hope he's going to appreciate that. I have food here with me that I picked from home. That is bitter leaf soup, but he doesn't eat bitter leaf soup. So that's why I want to go prepare pasta for him, if he will love to eat pasta. And I'll see you there. Okay, so today is Saturday. The road is dry. Abuja is always dry on Saturdays because people are relaxing at home. Nobody's working, and I'll see you. I'm driving already, so let's stop vlogging. Hey guys, so I just got here and I have my pasta here. There is no light, so I'm using a rechargeable lamp here, and this is what I'll be cooking. I have this one too. Can you see properly? This. This and this. Can you see that? So I don't really know whether to mix everything or I should just cook one type of pasta, because normally I like mixing like 3 different types of macaroni and then making my pasta out of it. But I don't know if to use just this pasta here. I think I should use only this one. Let's just see how it goes. Alright, so please pardon the fact that there is no light. Maybe there will be light before I finish cooking this meal, but if there is no light, I will still try all that I can to show you what I'm doing, okay? Is it still too bright? I go wish you well. Oh. I'm gonna reduce the brightness a bit. Hey beauties, hey pretties, hey guys. So I'm done cooking and I just showed you the food, but I'm gonna show you again. Now here is my babe.
Hi.
Okay.
Wow, I look popping.
Yeah, and you're not supposed to look at yourself when filming, so look here.
Sorry. I just had to admire myself.
Yeah, so he has not eaten since morning, and this is almost 1 p.m. in the morning, and he wants to eat
1 p.m. in the morning, 1 p.m. in the afternoon.
1 p.m. Oh my god, 1 p.m.
Yeah.
This is 1 in the afternoon or 1 p.m. He wants to eat it with bread. I don't know what sort of combination that is
That's the
anyway.
best combination ever.
But
In case you didn't know.
how did you do today?
Wow, I did a whole lot of things. I washed and swept the house, arranged everywhere, and
Did you mop?
yes, I did.
Okay. Everywhere is so clean,
As you can see, it's
so
sparkling,
so neat.
That's what we do. That's how start do.
Does that start to
That's how start do.
does that okay. Come on, eat. You are famished.
Pardon me, I want to eat my bread. I love food. I love food.
So are they supposed to pardon you? Oh my
No, don't pardon me. I beg my own pardon. Oh shit.
Oh man.
Hmm.
So let's dig in.
Cheers.
Dig in.
It's dark.
It's dark. Now dig in. Weird combination. That's such a weird combination.
Who asked the French people why they do it?
Okay.
Because I learned to do it. How am I supposed to go about this?
This is Indian pasta.
Can I have the chopsticks, please?
Did you not even blow it? Is your mouth freezer or fridge?
It's not hot. It's cool. Forget about this steam you're seeing here. It's not hot.
Now it's time for me to dig in. Can you just focus? I don't know what you're doing.
You don't know how to go about it.
Okay, you know how to go about it. Go about it. Go about it.
I wish I could give you what you complain so.
You blow and then
Blowing is a sign of laziness.
you pick an egg. What does that mean?
Which bread are you using to joke?
Wait, what was that? If it's all local? Okay. I understand if it, but that particular one, I've not heard it before.
That's A level. Spoken by mostly.
Talk that, okay? But mostly